So here's how to repost someone else's Instagram story to your own. So let's get started. As you can see guys, we are on a profile. Now there's a couple of ways to actually repost someone else's Instagram story to your own feed. So let's just open this. So as you can see, this is kind of like a photo that is being posted in this profile. All right, so there are a couple of ways. Simply you can screen record this, or you can take a screenshot by tapping on the power button and the volume down button at once, like this. And then from here again go back, and let's just go to another profile. As you can see, this is another kind of Instagram story that is being posted like a post. So you can simply go to this post, like tapping on that and view post like this, and then you will see a share button on here. So just need to tap on the share button, and then you will see add to note and many more options like pasting on your story. Like here is the add to story. You can tap on that to add to your own story like this. This is the couple of ways that you can share someone else's Instagram story to your own feed. So I hope this video might help you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Peace out.